Welcome back to another YouTube episode of In the Bath with MDV. Bird stash rocking pretty nicely. I did it today, 1 day ago. It was yesterday. And I don't know, it's working pretty nicely for me, but today we're here. I don't know if the beard stash video was uploaded already, but today I'm gonna go with you through my beauty routine. I'm gonna show you the different beauty routines that I follow. Basically, I know it looks like a lot of stuff, but that's styling, that's hair repair, that's the beauty part that I use. It's everything I use, it's in here. So it's either two protocols, the anti-aging protocol or the hyaluronic protocol. This one is definitely the easiest one to bring away because it's like this. The anti-aging is the one that I'm using right now. So let's go straight into it. The first thing I do is actually use my wife's scrub, which you can find in the link below. All the products that I show, you can find it in the link below in the description. So it's easier for you guys. So you guys know I say a lot of times, look how beautiful is this. It's carbon real fiber. I use a little bit of scrub. I don't want to mess the old bathroom here now. Deep black scrub on the face, under the beard. That's the first thing I do. It's actually super cool. It shows how you would be if you were an Arab. And it helps me to clean the dead skin under the beard. You see? It has a very good smell. You put it just like this, just like I did now. Then you put a little bit of water in your head. You start to scrub it a little. You don't need to push too much, otherwise it kind of burns. So you move it gently. So you clean the dead skin under your beard. If you want to do it on the mustache, you do it as well. For the sake of the video, I'm not going to do it now. So before I apply anything on the beard, I use this. Otherwise, the products that I put, especially in this area, they're not going to affect the skin that much because there's a lot of dead skin and the beard and it doesn't absorb. So let me wash this up. The dead skin is removed and I'm going to show you the protocol that I use, which is the anti-aging. Yes, anti-aging. Why? Because it has stem cells, which is kind of very good for my skin. I realized it was one of the products that was giving me, I don't know, the best result in this particular area of my life. It's composed by a cleanser, a serum, and a cream. Why the anti-aging? Because I feel I'm in the right spot to use an anti-aging. There's no point to use an anti-aging when you're already aged. So, first part is the cleanser. Cleanser, it's super easy. 2 pumps. You put it, it's basically a soap, but it has stem cells. So basically all the products that you're gonna put later, and it start to absorb it because it's not just a cleanser that you put on the hands and you wash. You just apply it for a couple of seconds. You don't even need the water, especially here. As you can see, it makes a little bit of foam without the water. Very good product. The goal here is to activate the skin. So basically you do this kind of little massages, not just something complicated. You just move the skin around so you activate the circulation just by tapping, especially on the areas that you care a little bit more. You just move it around, little circles. I'm doing it just the way I would do it naturally. You lift it up. Thing is, the more you do it, the easier it gets. So basically right now I feel I have everything. My skin is just super shiny, super shiny, super shiny. There's apple cells in this cream, in this cleanser. So it has a very good smell. And even though I could apply the product right now, I'm not because that's a cleanser. So I'm gonna wash my face and then we're going to the next one. Honestly, it takes me not more than 8-9 minutes if I want to be large to do this routine because it's super easy. The scrub, I don't do it every day, I do it every week. So once a week I do the scrub on the beard, then I apply the cleanser, then I apply the serum, which is this one. Again, apple and grape stem cells is basically the same product without the cleanser characteristics. So this one It's gonna feel very similar to the other one, but it's the product that you can leave on the skin. And this one is just pure. The skin is already activated, so I'm just gonna apply a decent amount. Again, always lifting up. I'm gonna put a little bit more just for the beard part, because, and for the neck. Basically every product I use, I clean my hands on the neck, just pulling backwards, because it's very important that you take care of the neck as well, because when you start to age on this area, getting over all the wrinkles is going to be very bad. But if you pull this up and pull this up, everything is going to feel more tight. I don't know, makes me feel so good, this thing. I didn't do it before. I started like 4 years ago and I became addicted to this, and I do this every night before I go to bed. Which is different between the routine that I do in the morning, which is the one that I'm going to show you next time, which is the hyaluronic one, because it gives more freshness. It feels a little bit more tight during the day, but this one during the night, you wake up, you're just shiny. And then we put the cream, face anti-aging cream. So easy, you take the cream. I'm halfway into this one, probably as a couple of months. A bottle of this lasts 2 months and a half, maybe, depending on how much you use it. I've had it, maybe more, maybe even 3 months. Once you buy it, you probably have to buy it twice or 3 times a year maximum, because there's gonna be days where you forget. Again, I do it every day, I never miss. Cream is easier, there's more pastry, è più pastosa, as we say in Italian. There's more density on the cream. You can feel it is very different from the serum. The serum gets absorbed almost immediately. The cream stays on the face a little bit longer. But this one is super good, because I used to hate the creams that I had before, because every time I go to bed, I felt like I couldn't move on the pillow because I had the cream on. This one, super good, because after a few seconds, you don't feel that you're sticky. Again, here, one touch. Don't, and I'm gonna say it again, don't underestimate the neck. Please don't do this error. So a little bit on the part here, which is very important, this part, you lift it up, and again on the neck. Pull back. And up. Guys, that's everything I do. That's so simple, nothing complicated. Again, my anti-aging protocol is the one that I use right now. Nighttime, 3 products, super easy. If you want to scrub your face, buy the scrub. My wife's one, which is a bestseller, the black carbon that I use, because it activates the skin as well. It's very good for the dead skin, and nothing. That's everything I would do. You've seen basically all my products, everything that I use, the seawater, all the stylings. Yeah, I'm going out now, so I'm using the seawater. If I was going to sleep, just a tip right there, I would have used the keratin repair, because that's, again, one of the things that I use at night that helps my hair regenerate. There's all the vitamins, but especially the aloe vera, which is one of my favorite products in general for the stomach, for the skin, when you get sunburned, for everything. So keratin is always good. I always spray a little bit here and there, even when I do the styling. But when I go to sleep, the keratin repair with the aloe vera, it's the best. Again, guys, that's how much my skin has changed, and you've seen it in the days. I haven't done anything, and it feels just so much better. There are some spots, but I mean, overall, I'm super happy, honestly. The more I'm going forward, the better my skin is looking, so I'm very happy. This was the beauty routine that I use at night. I'm gonna show you the hair routine if you guys want. Leave me a comment on what you want to see next. But the way I take care of my hair, the way I wash my hair, all the products that I use, the various protocols that I use for the hair as well. But there's a bunch of stuff that we can do together that I can show you here. There's a lot of products. This one you've seen it a few times, but there's a bunch of stuff. Thank you for watching. Guys, leave me a like. Let's send this video to hype and send it to some friends if they need some help with the beauty routine. And thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace.